Topics. You guys were talking about a strong wind, a big sight on a golf course, and shopping under the influence of alcohol. First up, something has probably blown you away before, but not quite like this. A hair-raising moment captured on CCTV showed a man being lifted into the air as he tried to prevent a large outdoor umbrella from falling over. The incident happened at a wholesale market all over in a southern Turkish city. Footage showed three men running to secure the umbrella as the strong winds move it, and one of them is blown into the air after stepping on the base of the shade. Happens right about here. And the man jumped off after being lifted.
He got on. He was like, oh, it's going up. Let me get on so I can take this ride.
Would you let go?
I mean, I don't know.
It looks like the other guy did.
Well, he jumped off.
He had his foot on there, yeah.
He did jump off, you guys, and he is safe. So that's good.
Okay.
That's good.
But, yep.
Whoa, that's scary.
That is, I've never had a moment like that before where I've actually been afraid.
Like Mary Poppins right now. Look at him go.
A spoonful of sugar. I don't know.
That is crazy.
I've always kind of worried about my dog blowing away because she's like small, but I've never had a moment where I thought I would be. So that's crazy to see. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's absolutely wild.
I had to watch it like 4 times to believe it happened.
It's a little scary.
Yeah.
Well, this might be also pretty scary. An enormous alligator was spotted strolling onto a golf course in Georgia this week. It says, I'm sorry, it said United States in the script, and that made me laugh. The large reptile was filmed interrupting a game of golf before dipping into a water feature at the club in Savannah Harbor. The eyewitness who took this video here says that alligators are, of course, common on the course. However, this particular alligator's size is what stood out. Look at how big that even his tail is.
Yeah.
He said they were all in awe of how massive it was. He also added that once it got on the green, you could hear the thud with every step. According to the Georgia Department of Natural Resources, there are approximately 200,000 to 250,000 alligators in the state of Georgia.
This guy's running for the hills.
Well, he just plopped a seat
Just
right there
right
on
next
top
to
of the green.
hole there.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, yeah, that's quite the delay of game there.
I would run as far away as possible.
So, yeah.
Brave soul to take the video.
It is. I mean, well, he looks like he's zooming in, so I don't know how far away.
It's kind of like a dinosaur. The thuds, I imagine, were real loud. Oh,
there he goes.
There he goes. He sees the water. He's probably getting annoyed that he's getting videotaped.
This reminds me of Happy Gilmore
like,
when
leave me
he
alone.
Hits the ball into the water and has to...
Opens the gator's mouth.
Yeah, and that's how Chuck
that many alligators in Georgia, though. You said 200
to 250,000.
That's a ton of gators.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I wonder what the relation is to the amount of gators in Florida.
I don't
Sure, it has to be less.
We'll have to ask him.
Well, yeah, sure, but I'm just wondering how much. I'm curious.
We'll find out.
All right.
I'll look.
We'll have to look up that information. So, we'll move on to this. While
I'm on it. Don't worry.
First, we had drunk dialing, then drunk texting. Both are terrible ideas. Now we have a new alcohol-fueled regret to watch out for. Drunk shopping. Tech and business website The Hustle conducted a survey and found 79% of its readers that consume alcohol have made at least one drunk purchase. The survey estimates it's a $45 billion per year industry, with the average wasted buyer blowing $444 each year. People who work sports, transportation, and energy appear most likely to splurge while inebriated. What are they buying? Well, clothes, shoes, movies, and electronic devices to top the list.
That's crazy.
Yep.
I don't think
I've seen this, going around Facebook the past few days with people saying, guilty. I've done it.
I guess it's just another one of those things. But the funny thing is they're buying like normal things. I thought it would be kind of like they're buying random, like...
Well, shoes, I mean, I think that maybe once, you really want a pair of shoes, but, your sober brain says...
Don't spend that money.
You shouldn't spend that money on a pair of shoes.
Don't have the money for it,
And then you have a few glasses of wine, and then maybe,
They start to look a little cheaper.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Bank account looks like you can afford it.
I'm rich all of a sudden. I can afford these shoes, but yeah, I don't know, guys. Have you ever done this? Let us know. Go to our Instant Connection poll. We want to know, have you ever done a little tipsy shopping before? It's on our Facebook page, and also we have an update. on
Well,
the
you could finish what you were saying.
Well, that's okay.
I have an
I see
update
it.
on the alligators. 1.25 million alligators live in Florida.
There you go.
300,000 in Louisiana.
Yeah.
So Georgia's not really that scary anymore. Not moving to Florida anytime soon, though, gotta say.
Yeah.
But still to
But
come, you guys, the annual Illinois State Football Spring Showcase scrimmage is coming up.
And we'll tell you what the activities for the kids are this year and who they'll be able to meet.
Plus, we're heading into the kitchen for 3-Minute Grill. Adam Wisniewski is here from Breakfast, Life, and Dinner. He's teaching us how to make stuffed Hasselbacks. That's coming up.
Live from your local news leader, Alex Corridetti, Christy Batista, Aaron Eads. Central Illinois' most accurate forecast with meteorologist Adam Clavon and live reports with Emily Braun. You're watching The Morning Show at 9 on WCIA 3.